आयज येतली फाल्यां येतली करीत निमणे गोयच्या सिनेमांक अनुदान दिवपाची येवजण गोय मनरिजवण सोसायटीन शेनवारा जाहीर केली। गोयच्या निर्मात्यान काडिल्ल्या कोंकणी, मराठी, हिंदी आनी इंग्लिश सिनेमां खातीर आता 2016 आनी 17 ह्या दोनूय वर्सांनी काडिल्ल्या सिनेमांक अनुदान मेळटले। ते भायर बरो सिनेमा काडून ताका पुरस्कार मेळ्ळे जाल्यार हे येवजणे खाला सरकारा कडल्यान सुमार 82 लाख रुपया मेळपाक शकतात। अनुदान दिनासतना उरिल्ल्या फाटल्या दोनूय वर्सांच्या सिनेमाक मदत करपाची तजवीज मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान केल्या अशें सोसायटीचो उपाध्यक्ष राजेंद्र तालकान जाहीर केला। हातूंत फकत कोंकणी आनी मराठींतल्यान काडिल्ल्या फीचर फिल्मांक अनुदान मेळटले जाल्यार नॉन फीचर विभागात हिंदी आनी इंग्लीश सिनेमांक अनुदान मेळटले। अर्ज धाडपाचो निमणो दीस आसा 27 ऑगस्ट। हे येवजणेची सगळी म्हायती तांणी www.esg.co.in ही वेबसायटीचेर घाल्ली आसा।
The scheme is applicable for feature film in Konkani, Marathi and non-feature film in Konkani, Marathi, English and Hindi. All films must have English subtitles and censor certificate issued between 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2017. For feature film, grants will be 50 lakhs for A category, 30 lakhs for B category and 10 lakhs for C category, or 50% of the total expenditure as per audited statement and income tax return filed, whichever is less. For feature film, grants will be 50 lakhs for A category, 30 lakhs for B category and 10 lakhs for C category. For non-feature film, a grant of 10 lakhs rupees for A category, 5 lakhs for B category and 3 lakhs for C category. Beside this, the film producers will get additional assistance of rupees 20 lakhs if the film wins a national award in the best regional film category, rupees 25 lakhs if the film wins national award in any other category, and rupees 30 lakhs if the film wins Golden Lotus at national award. For non-feature film, rupees 7.5 lakhs if a film wins an award at national level or at any international level. This is the best scheme in the country. This scheme is only for the Goan producer आणि बाकीचे पण थोडे कंडिशन्स आहेत त्यात की 50% of the shooting has to be in Goa, then 50% of character artists in the film, character artists, not just a silent crowd nahi, character should be Goan. There is nothing left here to criticize. If you do a good cinema, if it comes in A category you get 50 lakhs, if you get national award you get 20 lakhs, if it is screened in Indian Panorama you get another 5 lakhs, so this becomes 75 plus for 100 shows. As per these schemes government gives 7 lakhs, so 82 lakhs is assured amount if you do a good cinema.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख।